So we're gonna go bale some hay today. Gotta put these twine in this baler here. It holds 5 on each side, but I got one in here from last year. So I got the other side, it's full. I gotta just tie them up too. But I gotta go through this thing, grease it here real quick. This one's pretty easy to grease. It's everything's pretty easy to get to on it. We've had this baler for I think this is our second or third year, can't remember which, but we bought it because we used to have a New Holland and we couldn't keep it together, so we bought this one, and so far we haven't had a single problem with it, and it's a lot nicer because it's in line, so this PTO is all straight instead of having a angle to it. But I gotta get this filled up with twine here and grease so I can get going, because my uncle, he's raking right now, so I gotta get this thing going here, and we'll meet him over there. So we tie a square knot here, so it's just right over left, left over right, and you just do that, pull it nice and tight, and then we cut this access off, these two tails off here, that way they don't get stuck in the knotter. But that's all there is to it. Well, I made it back home, had I think 253 off that piece, which ain't too bad because there's only a couple acres there. But coming home, broke the roll pin out of this shifter here, so had to go get a new one here, so we'll get it put in. Then we got to bale just this around our grain bins and stuff down in here. So I'm gonna get this fixed here and hopefully get this baled up. It shouldn't take too long, but it's just a odd shaped piece because our grain bins are there. But we'll get this put back in and get this hay baled. Got this piece baled. My dad, he's picking up bales now, and he just put them straight into the shed. Had 66 off here, so not too bad, and just get it off the field anyways. But now I'm gonna grease it. I didn't get a chance to grease it before I left because I knew we only had a few hundred bales, so it wasn't gonna be that big of a deal for it. But I'm gonna get this greased up for tomorrow because we got about 30 acres to do tomorrow, so there's gonna be quite a few bales. But gonna get this greased now, that way it's ready to go for tomorrow. So we got the duals off the 7110. We're gonna use that to mow with now, so we don't need the duals on it. We still got some corn we're gonna plant for silage corn, but it's only a few acres, so we don't need duals on it anymore. But I'm gonna meet him. He's gotta go get some oil for that tractor, and gonna meet him back here and hook him up to the mower here real quick. So my uncle, he's gonna go mow some more hay. I'm gonna get that tractor off the rake, get this one off the baler, and switch that. That way I got a cab tractor, and we'll probably put this tractor on the rake because we don't have any other tractor. We usually have the 4020 we put on it, but it's got a blown, I think it's a hydraulic hose, but we haven't had time to fix it, so we're just probably use that 1066. But I gotta get them changed, and then we gotta get some wagons off. We stack wagons in the winter time, that way we have some more shed room, but we gotta get some of those unloaded so we can load them up. But I'll get this stuff switched around here and hopefully go bale some hay. So this is what we do. We stack them up too high, and then we just have these pallet forks with extensions on them, and we just scoop them off. That way we can store two on top of each other. That way we have more shed room. And then we bought 3 new running gears this year, so we got to put the racks on top of them. So we're going to get that done here too. That way we have those running gears. And but we got quite a few of them to unload here, so we'll get at it and get these unloaded. So I got the tractor switched, and we're heading over here. We're just about to pull into the field here, and we'll get this opened up and start baling. Here baling still. Got there's a piece that goes back off into here, and got the outside rounds around this field done, and I had about I think a little over 950 bales, which ain't bad, but it's definitely thinner than usual, which we're making it about 2 to 3 weeks earlier than what we usually make, just because it's been so dry. And we finished planting early, so we're able to make hay a little earlier, so the hay quality is a lot nicer, just because a lot of the grass ain't dead or nothing, so it's making really nice hay. And we're just chugging along, and baler's doing good, not having any problems so far. But it's about 30-acre piece here, so it, we usually do about 2 days worth in here. We make about half of it one day, and then make it the rest the next day. But it's a little after about 5:30 anyways, and we're just gonna do these last 2 rows here, and then me and my dad will pick these bales up, just because once the sun starts going down, the hay will probably get a little tough. But it's we haven't been getting any dues or nothing, so I doubt it would, but we're just gonna quit and pick up the bales because it's not too fun picking them up at when it's dark out. But we got this done in front of this guy's house here, and got the outside rounds done, and then we just got these long rounds all in here to do, and there's a little piece across the ditch here, and then there's another little piece in front of this guy's house, and then on the other side. But we're just gonna keep going here and get this knocked out. Shouldn't take me about 15 more minutes, and we'll get this done. But my dad, we had the 11066 on the rake, and the hydraulics quit working on it for some reason, so we just switched the tractors. That's the one that's usually on our feed grinder, but we had to take it off to use it because our 4020 blew that hose. So I'm hoping to get that fixed tomorrow morning because it's Sunday now. So hopefully get it changed first thing Monday morning, and then get a hose made for it at the shop. That way we can use that tractor because we're gonna need a grind feed, so we need that other tractor. But we'll just get these 2 rows here picked up, and then pick up all the bales. My girlfriend's out here fishing, picking up these bales here. We had 1423, and my dad, he already picked up some of these, and he went home to help them finish out milking. So we're gonna just finish picking these up tonight. It shouldn't take us too long. We only got a few bales here to pick up anyways. But we're just gonna finish these out here and call her quits for tonight, because it's almost 7 o'clock. So by the time we're done, it'll be well after 7. But we'll just keep getting these picked up here. we got all this baled. Got the truck and trailer, and then our flatbed truck over there, and then filling up a couple wagons here. Had almost 2,600 bales, which ain't too bad, but we usually get a little bit more, a little over 3,000 off this piece, but we are making it quite a few weeks earlier, so I guess it's probably doing about the same. But my brother and dad, they're just picking up the hay, and I'm gonna take this tractor and baler home. Then I'll probably help them pick up some too. But that's we're just finishing up this piece, so they should, I think they got about 100 bales to pick up, so it shouldn't take them too long. But I'm just gonna take this on home, and then probably come back and start bringing wagon loads home. So my dad and brother and uncle are finishing out loading up. My uncle, he brought the 1066. He pulled wagon loads home. So I'm in the truck with the trailer bringing it home. Then probably me, my dad, and uncle will go deliver this in that flatbed truck over there. It's I think it's 500 bales we haul at a time on here, and so we'll haul that tonight, so that way we can get this truck and trailer and the other truck unloaded and get it loaded up, because we got a customer, they take 3,000-4,000 bales, so we like to just haul it straight out of the field. But I'm gonna get this home here, and then we'll probably go haul it.